Hey guys, welcome to Closer's Mathematics class. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like and share this video, and also turn on the notification so you can get to see more video as we upload. Alright, today we want to talk about the factor theorem under our series Polynomial. So when we talk about the factor theorem, we said if f of x is a polynomial, then x minus a is a factor of f of x if and only if f of a is equal to what? 0, where a is the root. Now, what does this mean? Let's see the first example. Now, we have a question here that is x minus 1 a factor of this. Now, the only reason why x minus 1 will be a factor of this is if I put 1 into this and have 0. If not, it is not a factor. Now, what are we saying? I have x minus 1. What the first thing I'm going to do is make x minus 1 equals to 0. Alright, so automatically here you are going to have, so this is the solution for our first example. So you are going to have x equals what? 1. If you make x stop the formula in this place. Now you have your question to be 2x to the power 4 plus 3x squared minus 5x plus 7. Now anywhere you see x in this place, just impute what? 1. So that what? 2 open bracket 1 raised to the power 4 plus 3 open bracket 1 raised to the power 2 minus what? 5 open bracket 1 plus 7. Don't forget, if I get 0, then it is correct. This is your f of x. Then this is your f of 1. This is x minus a. Then they say when your f minus a is equal to what? 0. That's when it is a factor. So let's check. Now, so 1 raised to the power 4 is what? 1. So that's still 2 times 1. Plus 1 raised to the power 2 is still 1. So that's 1. 5 times 1 is 5 plus 7. So this will give me what? 2 plus 3 minus 5 plus 7. 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 minus 5 is 0. 0 plus 7 is 7. Now, is our f of 1 equals to 0, which is our a? Our f of a is not equal to what? 0. Therefore, x minus 1 is not a factor of our question. So f of 1 is not a what? It's not a factor of this. The only reason why it will be a factor is when it is equal to 0. Alright, so let's see this second question now. So we want to check if x plus 2 is a factor. So the first thing I'm going to do also is to make x plus 2 equals to what? 0. So now that will be what? X equals to what? Minus 2. Alright, don't forget your f of x is given by what? 2x cubed minus 7x squared minus 10x plus 2. So anywhere you see x now, you put what? Minus 2. So that what? 2 open bracket minus 2 all cubed minus 7 open bracket minus 2 all square minus 10 open bracket minus 2 plus 2. So that will be minus 2. This will give us minus 8 minus 7. This will give us 4 minus 10 minus 2 plus 2. Alright, so this will give us 2 times minus 8 will give us what? Minus 16. Minus 7 times 4 will give us minus 28. Minus times minus will give us what? Plus 20. Then plus what? 2. Alright, so we are going to have what? 20 plus 2, which gives us what? 22. Then minus 16 minus 28, which will be giving us 4. It will give us minus 44. So we are going to have what? Minus 44 minus 20. Minus 44 plus 22. And minus 44 plus 22 will give us what? Minus 22. So this is our f of what? Minus 2. Is it equals to 0? No. So x plus 2 is not a factor of 2x cubed minus 7x squared minus 10x plus 7. Alright, So the only moment it can be a factor is when it is equals to 0. Alright, don't forget. So the examples we have been solving now are not equals to 0. So let's see another example, which is the last one for today. Let's check if it's also a factor. So we want to check if 2x plus 1 is a factor. We want to check if it's a factor of 4x cubed minus 7x minus 3. Alright, so how are we going to check this? So the first thing is to make 2x plus 1 equals what? 0. So that will be 2x equals what? Minus 1. Then your x will be what? Minus 1 over what? Over 2. So anywhere you see x in this place, you put what? Minus 1 over 2. So that will be what? F of minus 1 over 2. So if you can see my video on polynomial function, you can see the video also on remainders theorem is on my channel, so you can check them out. So we have 4 open brackets 1 minus 1 over 2 all cube minus 7 open bracket minus 1 over 2 minus 3. Alright, so that's what 4 open bracket minus 1 cube will give us minus 1, 2 cube will give us what? 8. Alright, then minus what? This will become plus 7 times 1 give us what? 7 over what? Over 2 minus 3. Alright, so 4 here 2, 4 here 1. So minus 1 times 1 will give me what? Minus 1 over what? Over 2 plus 7 over what? Over 2 minus what? 3. So the LCM will be what? 2. 2 into 1, so this is minus 1, this will be plus what? 7 minus 2 times 3 will give me what? Minus what? 6. Alright, so minus 6 minus 6 minus 6 minus 1 minus 6 will give what? Minus 7. Minus 7 plus 7 over 2. Minus 7 plus 7 will give me what? 0 over what? Over 2. And therefore my f of minus 1 over 2 is giving me what? 0. Now you can see that this is equals to 0. So therefore 2x plus 1 is a factor of 4x cubed minus 7x minus 3. Alright, so this is all we need to know under factors theorem. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like, and always share this video to your loved ones so they can also learn mathematics in its simplicity. Thank you for watching, and God bless you.